How in-group biases affect hiring decisions. I'm McKenna McCoy.
I'm Zach Consolino.
And I'm Hannah Harrison.
Existing research showed beliefs in discrimination of women to be moderately correlated with discrimination attributions of female applicants. Additionally, studies have shown there is a relation of exclusion to racial and ethnic identity and group behavioral norms. Our study explores race and gender in-group biases and how they affect the hiring decisions of our participants. 212 participants completed a survey consisting of 2 studies. While our participants were mainly of the Caucasian race and female gender, other participants were of African American, Asian, and biracial races, and male genders. 3 individuals chose to not disclose their gender. We used 3 scales to collect our data. The Task Competency Performance Scale measured the participants' perception of the applicant's potential work performance. The Hiring Questionnaire measured participants' willingness to hire the applicant based on job fit and other factors. The Interpersonal Attraction Liking Scale measured how much a participant liked the job applicant. Each scale had good reliability.
In study 1, participants reviewed a job announcement and were randomly given 1 of 3 conditions, all containing resumes with gender and race neutral names. Then the participants were asked to answer a set of questions that measured their hiring decisions, likability of the applicant, hiring rating factors, perceived gender of the applicant, and perceived race of the applicant. In study 2, participants reviewed a job announcement and 1 of 12 possible conditions in which applicants were set in an office that implicitly showed their gender, race, and party affiliation. Participants also read the subject's answers to interview questions. Then they answered questions using similar Likert scales from study 1. The study concluded with questions measuring racism, sexism, and demographics. A 2x3 between subjects factorial ANOVA showed a significant main effect for hireability and stimulus gender. There was also significant interaction between stimulus gender and participant gender. Another 2x3 between subjects factorial ANOVA showed a significant main effect of stimulus race and hireability.
We hypothesized that there would be a high level of in-group bias on the basis of race when it came to hiring tendencies. The results of our first hypothesis found marginally insignificant results for in-group bias when it came to hiring decisions. This finding emphasized a possible fault in our study that expressed to our sample the favorability of rating the different applicants to oneself as higher than those who are similar. Further, our second hypothesis stated that there would be a level of in-group bias between genders, specifically male and female. Our analysis found a main effect for hiring decisions and gender of applicants. We found that males were hired much more frequently than female applicants. Further, there was a significant interaction between gender of applicants and gender of participants. Those who preferred to not state their gender were more likely to hire males, and females were more likely to hire males. A limitation of our study is that it was self-reported, meaning the results may be skewed, so in the future we will obtain a more diverse sample.